Hopefully it works this time. Hello viewers, Mescal here. Scored some old timber. This is, I was told I got mahogany and what's the other one? Tallow wood. And so here's some more over here I've tidied up. It's been sitting in a paddock for a long time. As you can see, this is the condition it's come in, and I've hit it with some really strong sugar soap after scrubbing it down. You can see it's, there's a lot of rotten timber in there, but the idea is I make a table, something like this, where I've got tension beam and compression beam pushing up against the slats that hold the tops on, and then peg it with a wedge. So yeah, before my phone buggers up and dies again, I'll just show you how I've been exposing the strong grains that is left after all of the fungus and mould has rotted it out. So yeah, it should come up like the most rugged old table you've ever seen. Look at that, beautiful mahogany. Thanks for watching.